Today we're going to introduce the T3DSO2000HD oscilloscope by Teledyne Test Tools. T3DSO2000HD oscilloscopes feature 12-bit resolution on all 4 analog channels at up to 350 MHz bandwidth. 12-bit resolution shows you more details and less noise on the waveform with low noise floor. Mixed signal oscilloscope models add 16 digital channels for mixed signal analysis. Each model provides a maximum sample rate of 2 gigasamples per second and a maximum memory depth of 200 megapoints. With the addition of a user-friendly UI design, the large 10.1-inch capacitive touchscreen display supports multi-touch gestures, greatly improving operation efficiency. T3DSO2000HDs also have a built-in 25 MHz waveform generator, with 7 different waveform types, as well as a built-in remote web control over LAN for a more convenient way to debug with a maximum waveform capture rate of up to 100,000 waveforms per second on all 4 channels as a standard feature. This oscilloscope offers history mode, search and navigate functions, serial decode options, mask testing, and more. Power tools such as Bode plot and power analysis are also included as a standard option. The T3DSO2000HD oscilloscope series allows you to debug with confidence. For more information, click on the link.